Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this really nice effect just like Maxi and other overriders. So for this video you'll need Magic Blue Looks presets, BCC presets, and Sapphire presets, and Fixer Pro. So I already have my clip synced up and ready to go. So you just want to make a marker when you see the pellets. First time you see the pellets like this, when you shoot, you want to push M on your keyboard and make a marker. Now you just want to go to the clip and go 45 frames to the left of the clip. So 45 frames. See? You want to cut. You go back to the marker and go 1 second after the kill. So right here, cut this off and just cut this off. You want to next the sequence. Now you want to go to the kill and cut this again. Now you want to go to the audio where the song is. You want to cut there again where you see the kill, and you want to cut where the build-up starts. And there's gonna be a preset down below. Just search up audio muffled build-up and drag it onto this. Now you want to drag it into and drag this insane build-up on. It's gonna look like this. It's pretty laggy, so I'll put the quality down a little bit. Looks like this. It's not horrible right now. We're gonna make it a little better. So there's gonna be a little, build-up sound effect down below. Right, here it is. There's gonna be this little build-up sound effect down below. It should have a beat, so should have a marker right here. So you just put the marker onto the kill like this, and cut the rest of it off. Now you want to add the impact, so just search up Emma Janssen's blur glow. There it is, blur glow impact. Now you want to add your pump sound effect to the impact, and it should be done. It should look like this. Maybe make the sound effect a little quieter. So I'm gonna make that a little quieter because it's too loud. Make it a little quieter. -10 maybe. And this one put it to -10 as well. So it should look better now. Yep, and that's about it. So, oh, I forgot. So now you wanna add the overlay. So I'm gonna have an overlay down below. Okay, I am back and I got the overlay. So this overlay, you're gonna have to unlink it and cut off the audio. You're gonna put it onto the build-up and you wanna cut the extra off. So you're gonna go to the first frame of when it starts. And you wanna keyframe position and scale. Go to motion and put this dot on your opponent's head. You go forward some frames and track it to your opponent's head like this. Go 4 frames forward. And just track it onto your opponent's head like this. There's no real 3D tracking in Premiere Pro. You're just gonna do it by hand like this. And here, and also you want to make it a little smaller and put the blend mode to screen. I recommend like 191 scale, pretty good scale. And go forward and put it onto your opponent's head. Forward and to his head. And there you go. That's about the presets. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment down below if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and peace out.